Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Light channel. Today I would like to talk about a Sahara AI targets updates after listing with initiation accumulation pump model and my customer request. Let's dive in, guys. Just to be honest, this is a really bad listing. Why? Because it looks like kind of bad, but looks like a world token. You remember the craziness between the market capitalization and FDV? 165 million market capitalization, and people still not dump the all airdrops, right? Tokens. And FDV at 8 cents, now 1.62 billion. It's kind of crazy. So 20% tokens, unlock it. You can track this vesting schedule for 4 years. Here's the 4 years. Here's a huge unlocks. And guys, I highly recommend you just be careful because every single month, they gotta unlock. Here's a vested TGA, liquidity, market stability, build pad community distribution, Binance Alpha airdrop, Octix airdrop. Here's a Binance Holder airdrop. Kind of strange. So I think you can be sure this token will dump to the zone of interest. I used the lowest point of listing on a BitGet, so it was like 0.202. On other exchanges, it's like 1 cent, 2 cents, 5 cents. We're gonna use the lowest one to catch the beta entry. All right, so the first zone of interest, this one, you know how to work with this model. If not, I highly recommend you go and check free educational video. So this is the first one, this is the second one. So you can add 2 limit orders or 4 limit orders and accumulate this token. But if you can add alerts, and when the token drop to this one of the zone of interest, you can base it on BTC dominance, base it on BTC price action, make a decision to buy or not. But globally, we work with this model, and this model after listing usually playing out all like this one, or immediately drop to this block. After that, we can bounce. For example, it can be 40%, 50%, so you can fix a profit. So don't be, it's not a shame, don't be so greedy, and it's not a shame to fix a 50% profit, for example. And zone of fixation profit of these swing trades. Here, this is the block. Can we go higher from this curve prices? Yes, of course. Of course we can, but guys, based on risk ratio, for example, some people think, oh, if we drop now to this block, it's going to be only 54% drop. Honestly, to recover back at your break even, you need to see 115% pump. So that's the point, guys. And this is zone of interest. So most likely we can see something like this one and bounce, right? Or drop even lower and bounce. This one. Invalidation of this idea if the token dump on the listing price on the 0.202. All right. So now let's take a look with my customer request, what's going on with this token. So be careful, guys, because now the people get an airdrop, they can dump at any moment, any second their tokens. Plus, most likely the team, the insiders get tokens also, on different multi-acting. So it's not only retails, some basic users participate in the airdrop. So ADZ direction market mood is still euphoria on 4 hour time frame, even 1 hour time frame. This is accumulation. Most likely we're gonna form the divergence. How it looks like. So here we've started form divergence on 1 hour time frame. Can we go higher from this current prices? Like I told you before, yes, of course we can. But anyway, after that we will see the drop. Even the Celestia dump it. So what we can see here, we can see most likely something like this. Divergence on a 1 hour time frame, and we will land to 4 cents 83, 3 cents 74. That's it. You can buy, of course, now if it's comfortable for you, but don't blame the token if the token after that dropped to 50% down. So direction, no data because not enough data for this indicator. Direction on 30 minutes time frame. Here we trade at the bottom. Yes, we got some tiny room for accumulation on 30 minutes time frame. Money power, take a look. Yes, step by step, some accumulation. So here This is a 30-minute time frame accumulation. Yes, of course, we could track some bounces like 5%, but this is not what we're looking for. 1 hour time frame, we also at the bottom. So soon, I guess, when we stop at 23, at 38, at 0.5, you can take an action, buy or sell. But my zone of interest is here for speculation. For investment, I don't want to invest in this token. Trade on 1 hour time frame, no data, 30-minute time frame, no data, 15-minute time frame. Here is just a scalp position. By the way, highly recommend you use this set for intraday or even a swing trades. 15-minute time frame, no data, 5-minute time frame, guys. Buy line, it's 510.66. Fundamental value, it's 410.25. Take profits, it's 11.23, and exit line at 12.66. So guys, all targets you can track with my customer cassette, even add alerts. So when the token drop to the buy line, we will see the notification. So here, this one, buy line. All right, pretty simple. So I'm gonna track this token and we'll post the updates, I guess, in the next 2 weeks. I think it will be enough. So I think the Sahara AI will drop to some of zone of interest, what I showed you before. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my customer cassette, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.